Maker, it's Charlotte. Today I'm going to talk to you guys all about our candle starter kits. So if you've never made candles before, or you have and you're looking to learn something new or try a new vessel, fragrance, or wick type, the candle starter kit is the perfect place for you to start. In this video, I'll walk you through all of the components that are included in this kit and give you a few tips and tricks on how to use them best. The candle starter kit comes with everything you need to make candles. You get two types of vessels. Here we have our 12-ounce Aura vessel, and we have a 5-ounce metal tin. You also get our best-selling virgin coconut soy wax, a 16-ounce fragrance of your choice, along with a fragrance discovery kit, all the tools you need, plus some really fun wicks to play around with. So first, you have your vessels. When you're making candles, choosing your vessels is one of the first things that you need to decide. The size of your vessel will tell you how much wax and fragrance oil you need, and it will tell you what size wick you'll need to use as well. So with this kit, we have two of our top-selling vessels. We have our cream 12-ounce Aura that comes with a lid, and we have a 5-ounce metal tin. So the way that candle making essentially works is you need to fill your candle to either 12 ounces or 5 ounces, which will be made up of a mixture of wax and fragrance oil. Typically, your fragrance oil will make up anywhere from about 8 to 12% of your total formula by weight. So let's break that down. If you have 100 ounces of wax that you need to make all of these candles, then about 8 to 12 ounces of that would be fragrance, and the remainder to total 100 ounces would be your wax. When we make candles, everything is done by weight, so that is why we include this handy dandy digital scale so that you can cut and measure out both your wax and your fragrance oils. So this fragrance oil is one of my absolute favorites, strawberry macaron and vanilla whip. It smells like actually strawberry ice cream. So it's this fresh, delicious, like somebody just churned some amazing homemade ice cream. It's super sweet. It's one of our top selling fragrances. So the 16-ounce bottle is really meant to go with your Aura vessels, okay? And you're also getting this awesome discovery kit. This is our trendy and top sellers discovery kit, and it contains 10.3 ounce fragrances. So each one of these is going to be used for one tin. We include this kit so that you can try a variety of fragrances. Fragrance is normally one of everyone's favorite parts of making candles. It's experiential, it's fun, and it's personal to you. So with the fragrance discovery kit, you'll get to explore all different fragrances. There are 10 included, and see what you like, what you don't like, and pick your favorites from there. We also include wax, important part of candle making. You want some amazing wax. So this virgin coconut soy wax is a creamy white single pour wax blend. Now a single pour wax blend essentially means that you won't need to go over it and fix it or smooth it over after you've been poured. So you will cut up your wax, measure it, place it into your pouring pitcher, melt it, and then you'll add in your fragrance. Be sure to check out another YouTube video on our channel about how to make a woodwick candle, where we walk you through all of the math. It's pretty easy, don't worry, behind how to make a woodwick candle. So again, we have our wax, our fragrance oil, and our vessels, but last and not least, we need a wick. So with the candle starter kit, we include a variety of wicks, from our regular natural crackling wicks to our colored wicks, all the way to a shaped wick like our X wicks. These wicks will allow you to play around with different sizes and different types of wicks to figure out which you like best and which you'd like to use in your candles. The Aura vessel and the 5-ounce tin both use between a 0.625 and 0.75 inch width wick. When you get started making candles, be sure to check out our wick selection guide online. This is an amazing quiz that will basically ask you for your vessel size, which wax you're using, and it will give you a recommendation on which wick to use. Now, these wicks that you'll receive, again, they come in a variety of colors. We have red, white, black, green, blue, yellow, and natural. All of them come at a 5-inch height. So after you've poured your candles, you'll want to utilize these awesome wick trimmers to trim your wick to about 0.125 inches or 1/8 of an inch above the surface of your candle. Now, we also include a spatula. This is to help mix your wax and your fragrance oil after the wax has been liquefied. And we include this thermometer, which I love. As a maker, it has this great little handle on the back, which allows you to clip it onto your pouring pitcher. You guys wouldn't believe how nice that is. Rather than having a thermometer floating all around your pouring pitcher while your wax is melting, you can simply leave it on the edge and you can wait for your wax to get to the desired temperature. In this case, the desired temperature that we melt our virgin coconut soy wax to is between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit. This pouring pitcher is designed to be placed in a double boiler situation, which means that you're going to place this inside another pot that's filled with water. I like to fill the water up to about halfway on the pouring pitcher, and you'll want to heat the water to simmer, not boil, so that your wax melts slowly and evenly. Then you'll place that awesome digital thermometer inside this pitcher, and again, when it reaches 180 to 190 degrees, you'll remove the wax from heat, add your fragrance oil, and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. So lastly, we have some other great tools. This is a wick sticker. A wick sticker is used in candle making to secure your wick and clip assembly to the bottom of your vessel. It's super easy to use. I like to actually take all of the pieces off of the wick stickers and then apply my wick and clip assembly. It helps save time while you're making candles. So I'll apply all my wicks and then I'll peel them off and I'll place them into the center bottom of my candles. Easier said than done sometimes. I'm a candle making veteran, but even sometimes I have trouble getting the wick directly into the center of the candle. That's important because you want your candle to burn evenly. If your wick is off center, the wax will burn faster on one side than the other, resulting in an uneven and not so pretty burn. Enter the wick centering device. So this is great for exactly what I said, getting your wick centered. This awesome tool is super easy to use. It's a piece of paper that can be reused over and over again. And basically when you receive it, you just want to fold these two pieces up. You place it into the center bottom of your vessel, and then you know exactly where to put your wick and clip assembly. Now, last but not least, safety. These warning labels are containing all of the information that you need to help whoever's burning your candle burn it safely. So apply these warning labels to the center bottom of your vessel after your candle has fully cooled. So there you have it. This is our candle starter kit. This kit is again great for anyone who is looking to get started making candles for the first time or to try something new. And this kit is available on Makesy.com. If you guys have any questions about how to use this kit, please drop us a comment below and we're happy to help out. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.